Jain cadets, in this video today we will be studying about maize, pulses and sugarcane. First we will be studying about maize. It is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop. Kharif crops are sown on the arrival of monsoon. Now these are the geographical conditions required for the growth of maize. Temperature 21 degree Celsius to 27 degree Celsius. This is the ideal temperature required for the growth of maize. When we talk about soil, old alluvial soil is required for the growth of maize. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season, means in winter season. Use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, high yielding variety of seeds, use of fertilizers and better irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Maize producing states are here Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. These are the important states where maize are produced on large scale. Next crop is pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. Producer as well as consumer. These are the major sources of protein in a vegetarian diet, means vegetarian persons are getting protein from pulses. Major pulses that are grown in India are tur, which we call as arhar. Next is urad, moong, masoor, pea and gram. These are the major pulses which are grown in India. Pulses are grown in the Kharif season and are grown in the Rabi season. Pulses are grown in Kharif as well as in Rabi season both. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry condition. Moisture means requirement of water is less and they can survive in dry condition also. Being leguminous crops, all these crops except arhar help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air, except arhar. Therefore, these are mostly grown in rotation with other crops. Major pulse producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. These states are producing pulses in large quantity. Next crop is sugarcane. It is a tropical as well as a subtropical crops. Tropical belt receives high temperature and heavy rainfall. It grows well in hot and humid climate. Temperature requirement for the growth of sugarcane is 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall between 75 centimeters and 100 centimeters is required. Annual rainfall. Irrigation is required in the regions of low rainfall. It can be grown on a variety of soils. A specific soil is not required. It can grow in any soil. It needs manual labor for sowing to harvesting. Now India is the second largest producer of sugarcane only after Brazil. So Brazil is in first position, India is the second largest producer. It is the main source of sugar, gur, khandsari and molasses. Major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. These are the states where sugarcane are produced on large scale. Thank you very much. We will meet in next video.